Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is May 2nd, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see. Let's go to this quarterly chart, maximize it, and what I see is green, and we're back above the pivot. So again, I think this market is ready to go higher. Let's just go down here to these lower time frames and see what we see there. And on this monthly chart, we're still in bear area, but we got a green candle and we are below pivot still. So that's the whole thing right now. The thing is going to be getting above pivot this quarter, see if that can actually happen. And with this 9-10 moving on average 9 flattening out like this, that means we are coming to a point where this market may be getting ready to get back bullish. We needed to get above there, but let's kind of like just wait and see what happens here. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart. On this weekly chart is where the story is really being told. The weekly chart showing that we did come up to this 50 moving average, which is this green line right here. And all, I had said last week this will be a tough area to cross and get above, but we came right to it and kissed it. And also on the pivot for last month, these are this month pivots coming up for May. So we're going to be opening above there. So since we're opening above there, I want to see this thing go ahead and come up here to this resistance 1 level. That's what I want to see. That's best case. It can get up there and get into this area right here. That's why I put that long wick and push back down then. If we can gap above this area, I do see us going up to at least there. Worst case, we come back down here and kiss this pivot and then get a bounce and all. But I'm kind of looking at us come next week getting that gap, getting that feel-good feeling, and getting back above the 50. We got to just kind of like wait and see what happens there, though. All right, let's go down to the daily noise and wrap this on up. On the daily noise, as you can see this week, this is the thing that I'm saying gap. Because we've been getting a lot of overnight type stuff that's been happening, overnight trading that's been causing this market to gap up. You got a gap there. You got a gap here and all. So that's this area in between these candles here, and the area in between this area right here. So the market has kind of done what I've been doing, what I kind of expected to do, these gaps getting to the upside and all. And the thing is now, is just now getting above this top here and see what happens. So that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend and all. And I'll chat with you next week. Have a good one. Bye. Right Side Trader here. Subscribe, like, share. Talk to you later.